Hello, I'm Patty Nagai, horticulture educator for the University of Wisconsin Extension here in Racine County. Welcome to the Teaching Garden. Today we're going to talk about some common pest problems that might affect you in your community garden. Insects can be really devastating to your crop, or they might not cause any damage at all. In fact, they might even be beneficial. So if you think you have an insect problem, the first step is to identify the insect before you try to control it in any way. The damage you see to the leaves of your plant can help us identify the insect. Here we have lacy foliage, which is a good indication that the insect we need to be looking for is the Japanese beetle. Once you know what kind of insect you're dealing with, then you can decide how you're going to try and control that particular problem. For many insects, you don't need any control measures at all because they're not going to hurt anything. For some, you might want to use a cultural control like floating row cover that excludes not only insects, but also bunny rabbits. You might want to use soapy water to knock the insects off or to hand pick them off your plants. If a control spray is the best method for you to use for your insects, make sure that that's allowed in your community garden guidelines. Whether you're using an organic spray or a synthetic insecticide, it is imperative to follow the label directions, including all of the safety instructions. For more information on insects and their control, visit us at the website. And thanks for visiting us today at the Teaching Garden.